Welcome to Faceless Reel. In this demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can use Faceless Reel to start your very own profitable Faceless YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram channel. So once you're on your dashboard, you can see all the recent campaigns that you've created. You can see all your channel stats, views, subscribers, comments, video counts. Right on this section, you can calculate how many views and what kind of engagement can generate you how much money every month, every day, or every year. Over here, you can see all the top niches related to you and your channel, and also the top niches in the wall, and you can hard them, and then the entire experience, all the stats will automatically update. You can see all the top videos in the niches that you have selected. You can get daily ideas, and you can understand the competition level, if it's good, it's perfect, it's rising, it's balanced, and you can add all of that, all these great ideas to your library so you don't lose them. And then over here, you can do keyword research as well. If you're doing a channel about airplanes, you can just type airplanes, and then you can see all the top keywords that you can use in your title, descriptions, and tag, and also train AI to use those keywords in your YouTube video or Instagram videos SEO when it creates one. Next step is designing. So here you can create your own YouTube cover, logo, and profile picture. Simply click on the templates here. You can pick from all these different templates, and then you can edit everything from font, change, add more stuff, change anything you want, add icons, whatever you feel like. You can do that. You can remove these things. You can add your own picture, whatever you want, you can do that, and then you can download this image. And then of course you can save the edited image, or you can edit it later on as well. Now more templates will be added over time for free. You don't have to pay additional for it. Next, same way you can create logos, and same way you can create your profile picture that you're going to use on YouTube and everything. You can modify, change all these images with your own picture. Super easy. Next step would be to integrate your YouTube, Facebook accounts, and then in the library section you can see all your niches, your keywords, and ideas that you picked from the dashboard. Now coming to the most important part is creating these content videos, right? So you want to click on create video, and you give it a campaign name, but first you got to pick which you want to do, auto mode or manual mode. So in auto mode, it will automatically create a bunch of video for you to start publishing and schedule it for you. In manual mode, you get to have more creative control over it. So let's start with the auto mode. Let's give this a campaign called Airplane Channel 1. And we're creating videos for the United States, but you can pick for any country, any demographic, any language that you want. You can do that. We support tons and tons of languages and demographic. You select the channel that you've connected, like this one, and you click on next. Right here, you can pick from all the video niches that you have selected from the dashboard, or you could just use your custom niche as well. So if it's airplane, but I've already selected airplane history as the niche, so I'm going to do that. And you can create up to 10 videos automatically per campaign. And of course, you can create multiple campaigns and create hundreds of videos like that. So for demonstration purpose, we're going to create 2 videos. In the call to action, I'm going to type in website.com. This will be a text that will be added on all the slides automatically. And now here you can choose all the templates for video, for your thumbnail as well. So for our purpose, we're going to use this basic always winner classic templates. I'm going to select that. And for my thumbnail, I'm probably going to go with this kind of template and click on next. Now, the next option is to create video using stock images or AI generated images. And in the narration, do you want to use your own voice? You can clone your own voice, or you can use one of your 11 Labs AI voices that you have done as well. So we fully integrate with 11 Labs to do that. So you can clone your voice, or you can use one of your clone voices from 11 Labs. Next, click on create video. Now, as you can see, it will start generating videos for you. While this generates video, let's create another campaign. This time we got to do it manual mode, and we're going to have more creative control over it. So airplane channel 2, and we're going to do the same process. Select the campaign, select the country, the language, demographic we want. We can of course create videos in tons and tons of different formats as well. All these different formats we can create videos in, but since we're creating for YouTube for this demonstration purpose, we're going to pick the standard YouTube resolution and click on next. Now there are 6 kinds of videos that you can create. You can create text to custom video, where you give it a prompt that creates a video on its own. You can convert any blog post that you see into a video, all automatically using AI. You can create talking head video, where you upload your own picture or any person's picture. There's going to be a person animated with lip sync talking in the video. You can convert audio into video. You can create images to video. You can upload a still image, and it's going to create that into a video. Or you can create a text movie, right? So for this demonstration, let's do the text to movie scene. So let's select that and click next. Now, in the niche, again, we're going to select airplane history because that's what we're creating. If you want to use a custom, you can of course use custom and type in your own niche. we're going to select the target audience. Let's say this is our target audience. Movie type would be narrator. There's going to be a narrator, no conversations between people. And then we can select our movie styles. Let's do anime style. And in the idea overview, we're going to describe what kind of video we want. Now, what it's going to do is Faceless Reel is going to generate ideas based on what people are searching on YouTube and social media, and not just random ideas. So these are all the ideas that Faceless Reel has generated, and we can pick from one to multiple. So let's say we want to take this one. It's a good option. And we can also do astronaut, skybot, legacy. We can click this. So we got 2 ideas selected. We're going to click next, and then Faceless Reel is going to generate a script for the demographic, for the age group, the target audience that you've selected, and it's going to put out that script for you. But first, it's going to generate all the metadata. So the title, description, and all the tags for both the videos will be created here. And of course, you can then go ahead and modify and edit it as you want, but you don't really need to. It's perfectly done based on the SEO that works on YouTube, that works on Instagram, that works on Facebook, that works on TikTok. Next, we're going to generate the script as I explained to you. As you can see, the script is ready. We can again modify, edit whatever we want in the script and click next. And here we're going to select when do we want the video to be published. So we're going to select this as the date and this as the time. We can of course select the channel. If you have multiple channels connected, you can do that. You can post on Facebook as well automatically. Next, we're going to generate thumbnails using AI. And as you can see, the thumbnail is generated. Now again, if I want, I can edit this thumbnail and add more text, more images, whatever I want. I can do that, modify the thumbnail the way I want to do it. Add a headline, add the video title, whatever I want, move things around. And click on use this, and it will start using this as a template. But the background image that you see is all AI generated. And then you click on next. Now again, here you can pick from creating AI images or stopping to go for AI this round and click on videos. Now it's going to start generating the video for us. Again, we can go back to campaigns, and we can see our first campaign is already completed, and we can see 2 videos have been created. And I can click on edit, and these are the thumbnails that have been created again for the videos that you can download and edit as well. Now we can modify these videos with full customization and whatever we want to do with it. And all of these are all stock videos, and you can preview it. A sleek montage of super. You can change the template. You can add logo, watermark. You can add a call to action. You can control the volume. You can add captions in different styles with historical footage, modern jet. You can add an intro video clip, outro video clip. You can add different kind of animation for the text and whatever you see. You can add different background music. You can change it. You can enable a talking head figure. You can add your own picture, and that would be added as a talking head. You can of course add your own voiceover, use your own cloned voice. You can add more text. You can add more images, media, AI generated, full customization that you can do. Now let's go back to the campaign and see our second campaign, which is also ready. And we go here, and same way we can go ahead and add logo, watermark, customize it, add captions to it with different templates that we want. And then I can click on preview. Also like late 19th century American town. And as you can see, the captions are added fully. It's like all AI generated captions, all AI generated video. You can also have these as images that are animated. You can change the animation. A lot of full customization that you can do with these videos. And then once everything is done, since everything is scheduled, you can see all the scheduled videos in your calendar. You can schedule a video here as well. You can select one of the videos that have been rendered. Since we haven't rendered any videos, so those videos aren't ready. But once you render your video, they will pop up here, and all the caption, tags, and title will automatically be populated here. And then you can select which account you want to schedule it, and you can schedule it or you could post it right now. Now, Faceless also comes with an AI coach where you can chat with the AI coach to learn more about YouTube channel and how to work, what you can do to grow it, what kind of videos to do, what kind of animations to use, what kind of script and title and topics to use. So you have a full-time consultant on board with you with Faceless Reel, helping you answer all your questions about YouTube Faceless channel creation, monetization, and making money with this. Now, if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.